The Free Tibet movement marched through Charlottesville today demanding independence.
China, which rules the small mountain territory, says we are meddling in their affairs. Either way, the Tibetan flag flew at City Hall. Protesters rallied on the mall, and part of the demonstration snaked through town in a day-long march. NBC 29's Joanna Shrewsbury was there for all of it. Joanna.
Well, the flag was hung in front of City Hall this morning, and the gesture sparked debate on both sides of the question of a free Tibet.
I'm fighting because I'm from Tibet, but I fight indirectly for the whole humanity.
Se-young is one of the many supporters of a free Tibet who met outside City Hall to mark Tibetan National Uprising Day. Charlottesville council members stood by their side, giving full city support.
The city council was unanimous. It really wasn't a whole lot of discussion. This is a community that values freedom, religious freedom, political freedom.
One world, one dream. Free Tibet! But while supporters of a free Tibet were marching through Charlottesville trying to gain momentum, another point of view was playing out over the airwaves.
I don't believe that city government should be operating in foreign policy. That is the United States government, and the city really has no business there.
Former city councilor Rob Schilling also brought the Chinese embassy to the conversation. They say marchers like these are telling a one-sided story of Tibetan National Uprising Day.
The central government put down the riot with the support of Tibetan people to safeguard the national unity and the fundamental interests.
News Radio 1070 WINA. We're talking with Xin Shen, who is the first secretary from the Embassy of the People's Republic of China, regarding the city of...
A lot of opinions and feelings about the events that happened today, and they all started right here at City Hall, where the Tibetan flag is still flying.
Joanna, you mentioned all the opinions. Did it seem to be heavier sided on one side or the other about whether we should have participated?
Well, there were quite a few people out to support the Free Tibet movement, and they spent a good portion of the afternoon marching. On the radio, we only got to hear from the representative from the embassy because there were no calls taken.